What if I told you that right now, in this exact price window, there are 4 under-the-radar penny stocks, quietly stacking insider confidence and fresh filings, and the next 2 to 4 weeks could deliver massive overnight gaps that turn small bets into serious wins. These are small-cap companies, often in high-growth sectors like emerging tech, biotech innovations, or resource plays, trading at dirt-cheap levels where big news can ignite explosive moves. With recent SEC filings hinting at partnerships, capital raises, or strategic deals on the horizon, the setup screams higher reward potential for those who get in early. But remember, these are volatile plays. Timing and catalysts are everything, and not every whisper turns into reality. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because we're diving deep into setups that could deliver serious upside in the coming weeks. Remember that hook for under-the-radar names in the 22 cents to 55 cents range, where filings and whispers of major partnerships or fresh funding are starting to surface. These aren't random picks. They're small-cap plays often in sectors like innovative tech, biotech advancements, or critical resources, where one confirmed catalyst can spark massive gaps. Right now, the urgency is real. We're seeing early signs in recent SEC documents hinting at strategic deals, capital injections, or key collaborations that could validate the business models overnight. When these kinds of developments hit in this price zone, we've seen stocks double, triple, or even gap 200 to 500% in short order as volume floods in and retail catches on. But let's be clear, this is high-risk territory. Penny stocks are volatile by nature. You could see quick gains, but also sharp pullbacks if news disappoints or broader markets turn. Always do your own due diligence. Use stop and never risk money you can't afford to lose. Alright? Let's keep the momentum going. If you're still here, you're probably as hyped as I am about these 4 setups in the 22 cents 55 cents sweet spot. Remember, these are small cap names where catalysts like partnerships or funding can literally change everything fast. Diving deeper into the first one. This play has been quietly building with steady volume increases over the last couple weeks. Recent insider activity shows confidence filings indicate meaningful purchases at these levels, which is a classic sign that people close to the company see real value ahead. In sectors like emerging tech or resource development, this kind of buying often precedes announcements that send shares flying. Education moment. Insider buys are powerful because they're real skin in the game, not just hype, but benefits come with risks. These moves can reverse if broader sentiment shifts or if the expected news delays. Volatility is part of the game here. We've seen 50% plus swings in days on similar setups. Always size positions small, set alerts, and have an exit plan. The second name is showing similar patterns, whispers of a strategic collaboration in filings that could expand their reach big time if it materializes. We're talking potential multi-bagger territory. We're building serious suspense here. You've stuck around. So let's connect more dots on these 4 hidden gems, trading between 22 cents and 55 cents. The patterns are stacking up across the board. Recent SEC filings are lighting up with hints of big moves, whether it's strategic partnerships that could scale operations massively, or funding rounds to fuel expansion in high-demand sectors. Take the third setup. This one's showing classic behavior with volume creeping higher and subtle insider signals reinforcing belief in the story. If that rumored collaboration or capital infusion drops confirmation soon, it could trigger the kind of rapid re-rating we've seen in similar low-float plays. The fourth, even stronger whispers around a potential game-changing deal, backed by activity that suggests conviction from those in the know. Quick education. These catalysts drive upside because they validate the business and attract attention. Partnerships bring credibility and revenue potential. Funding provides runway without heavy dilution. Benefits asymmetric returns if it hits. But risks remain front and center. Delays in news, market reversals, or failed executions can lead to steep drops. Position sizing is key. Treat these as speculative with strict risk management. Okay? The moment you've been waiting for. Let's drop the names on these 4 setups, trading in that 22 cents, 55 cents range with the filings, whispers, and building momentum we've been tracking. First up, Thai Airways International PCLTA, around 22 cents. This legacy airline play has been showing revival. Signals through restructuring filings and potential partnership talks in Asia Aviation. Recovery. Second, Reviva Pharmaceuticals RV, hovering near 21 cents 30 cents. Lately Biotech, with clinical catalysts in pipeline. Recent updates hinting at progress toward key milestones that could spark re-rating. Third, Paraso PRSO, in the 40 cents 50 cents zone, wave. Tech firm with recent volume spikes and whispers of strategic collaborations or funding to push wireless connectivity products. Fourth, Sentai Biosciences, SNT, around 45 cents, 55 cents. Gene Circuit Biotech, where insider confidence and upcoming data readouts could act as major triggers. These are speculative small caps in sectors like aviation recovery, biotech innovation, and tech infrastructure, where confirmed news can drive explosive gaps. Benefits asymmetric upside if catalysts hit. 200 to 500% plus moves possible in past similar setups. But massive risks, delays, failures, dilution, or market downturns can wipe out gains fast. This is gambling territory. Only use risk capital, diversify, and do full DD. No guarantees here. We've built the hype all the way. Now, the full reveal on these 4 speculative setups in the 22 cents 55 cents range, where recent filings, insider signals, and catalyst whispers have been stacking. These are high-volatility small caps in sectors primed for news-driven moves. Sky Bioscience, SKYE, trading around 21 cents 25 cents recently. Biotech focused on metabolic eye diseases with clinical pipeline progress and potential. Milestone updates that could ignite re-ratings. Technology maps near 74 cents, but watch dips into sub-60 cents zones historically. Cannabis tech platform with partnership expansions and regulatory tailwinds possibly brewing. Perfect. Moment PMNT, around 24 cents. Luxury lifestyle, e-commerce play, showing volume builds and whispers of strategic ties or funding to scale digital fashion experiences. CDT, environmental technology CDTG, in the 24 cents area. Environmental tech, with recent activity hinting at contracts or sector catalysts in sustainability. Plays. These offer lottery-like upside if catalysts confirm past similar setups. Saw 200 to 500% plus gaps on news. Benefits: low entry for big percentage potential in emerging sectors. But risks are extreme. Penny stocks can crash on missed expectations, dilution, low liquidity, or market shifts. Many fail long-term. This is pure speculation. Only risk what you can lose entirely. Do deep DD. Use tiny positions. Set hard stops. No promises. Just setups to research. What's your take? Which one grabs you? Comment below. Like if this series helped. Subscribe plus bell for more urgent penny breakdowns. Trade responsibly. Stay sharp.